What's good, whānau? We are here. Oh, we've got to turn this down. We're here at the Māori's, what is it? Queensland Māori Rugby League.
Ngā
Hau tournament. Me and the sis. We're running the Allies. And what's your brand, sis?
Mawake.
Hey, Mawake. And yeah, we're just out here selling giwas and getting hot. Super hot. But come down if you're coming down. We've got all our gears here. You've seen them all before. Les Sage. We've got the sisters' gears here too. We've got the bandanas. Do you call them bandanas or?
Oh, scarves.
Scarves.
7
Scarves or bandanas for the gangsters. We've got the singlets. I've got the, what's it, grey? Brown? Grey one? Charcoal one on. Look at the fit though. We've got the white one over there. You got the white one on?
Oh no, this is just our uniform.
Custom one. Hey, you got the custom one. Oh, better get, do some work, do some work. Right, we're gonna go for a look around and see what's around here. The bros are on. The bros are on. Hey. Some biwa. Hey. The coffee's on lock, coffee's on lock. We got some cherries. Kia ora, sis. Eesh. Some custom soda labs. Got all the pipe. Oh, look at these guys. Hey, look at these player fellas. Hey. What do you fellas got? Oh,
We
yeah.
got bacon and egg burger.
Hey.
Egg burger.
Hamburger.
Stuffing.
All the
We
burger.
have water, steamed pudding, soft drinks,
Home
and
baking.
home baking. And all these desserts. And lolly bags.
And lolly bags.
Say less. Hey.
This goes to Akabaka.
Oh, yeah.
This goes to Akabaka.
Come and
Shout
support.
out.
Whānau, come and support.
Shout out to Rau Aroha.
Hey.
Come and support Te Rau Aroha. Right here.
Say less.
You gonna buy?
Who, me? Nah, look at this. I don't need that.
Oh, who
You
cares?
need the diet ones.
Who cares? Oh, want a lolly bag?
We got the whānau in here. Look at this fella. Look at this flash fella over here. Hey. You ready to jam?
Yeah.
Hey.
Jam
What?
Yeah. 24, 40.
Oh yeah, not bad, not bad. Easy dub.
Nice hit, brother.
Just, you know, it's just a start. Just a start. Safe, my brother. Got some more guys here. Jeff, I know. Good cars, good. We got hot dogs over here. Jeff, my mate. What else we got? We got smash burgers. We got smash burgers in there. Got like multiple Kai varieties over there. Oh, watch out for these fellas, everyone. Mischief fellas. Mischief fellas over here. These are our neighbours. Oh, beautiful kiwas. Kia ora whāia. Oh, got all the earrings. Ooh. Used to do stretchers whāia or nah? The stretchers? Cold. Oh. Beautiful. Ooh. We got Kaya seat. Got all the kiwas here. We got some more Kai over here. Kai everywhere, bro. Oh, this is the bro Brian stuff.
Smash burger. We got a smash burger.
Yeah, he just had to go to the actual pick up some stuff, so I was like, you go.
Kia ora, sis, how are you?
Okay, thank you.
We've got the coffees. Got some more Kais over there.
That's good.
Slushy action.
Slushy.
Cotton candy. And then we got Kai over there. Hey everyone, if you ever see this guy out on the streets, watch out, bro. He's a no good fella. Hey, he used to be a youth worker.
Yeah.
And then he become one of them.
Yeah, bro. YP. YP senior.
YP, he's a YP senior over here. But yeah, it's a beautiful day here in the north side of Brisbane. Hot as, but still a good day. Still a good day. What are you doing, bro? Coffees and stuff?
Yeah, coffees, iced teas. Little
Yeesh.
family business.
Oh, me? Oh, I'm gonna come get one. I'll see if my sis wants one. I'll come back. Hey! We're just doing the vlogs.
Hey guys.
Not bad, not bad.
Your hair's too fat for that. Yeah.
He's up to you. Can we get a pipe?
He's had a little snack.
Alright, finally, it's about 1 o'clock and we're headed. Hey! We're headed. It's too bloody hot out here. It's easier to do this back home because it's not this hot. But nah, mean vibes though, mean vibes everyone.
Can I pass it?
It's a good day out, it's a good day out. Beautiful day, beautiful day. Moldies everywhere. Look at them. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Ooits. Right, we made it to a game. We're watching a game now. The bro almost playing. And then the bro just lost.
Wow.
They lost by 2. They lost by 2. Oh, what happened? What happened, bro? Tell me.
Just the 1%ers, we weren't getting it done. That ref, mate.
Oh,
that
the ref, do you? Oh, yeah,
He
okay.
reffed me.
The old ref, eh?
But I ref him tomorrow.
It's always that bloody ref.
else.
But yeah, the bro's on now. We're gonna see him run it straight, hopefully. Oh, look who we have again. Whee! Oh, we got the Masters here. North versus East. They don't look like Masters, that's for sure.
On to tomorrow, whānau. Cheer, cheer.
What happened, Drew?
We had a lovely game. It was mean. It was good out there. Yeah. North got the better of us.
We got 2 points for you.
Yeah. It's okay.
Losses are lost though, eh?
Whoa!
Points or not, eh?
Just like
whether it's 2 or
we should
whether
just
it's...
we should just
Oh! But you know what? Fuck the West.
Nah. West boy. Pick up what the whānau.
Oh. Get out of it, Rongo. Oh, he's still over there. He's the boys. Morena whānau, it's day 2 of the Ngā Hau Queensland Rugby League tournament, Māori Rugby League tournament. We're just finishing setting up. Morena sis! Hey, we on! We've got some new arrivals today. We've got the big champion Tino rings back in stock. We only got a few of those. We got the old man bags show up. We've got all our torpedoes coming. So it's about to go down. What's the time now? 20 past 6, so everyone should be slowly trickling in this morning, and then apparently today's supposed to be like the biggest day, I guess. But we shall see. Morena. Alright, everyone's setting up now. Hey. Bro's got the best hangis. Best hangis around. Hey. That's one more, bro. Hey, look out for these fellas, eh? I don't know about that fella in the back. He's a dodgy fella, that one. Hey! Oh, you're gonna scare those customers away, huh? You better hide back there, bro. Shouldered. It's my vlog, you interrupted my vlog, B. Nah. Hey. We got the bro Brian. The bro Brian's on. Hey, cheer one for us. All good?
Yeah, good, eh?
Good sleep? Morning, how are we?
Good, how are you?
Yeah, good, thank you.
Yeah, good, thank you.
Beautiful morning. Where's that handsome bro of mine?
He's at the other side.
Oh, true.
He's doing
Oh, he's got another event or something?
yeah, it's CrossFit beans. Like
Oh.
I had to put him there because this one's going to be too busy for him.
Oh,
So
yeah.
I thought, oh no, I'll let him have that one. Because he said, no, I can do the Māoris. I said,
Yeah.
"No, you can't."
So he's only there till about 10, I reckon.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, then
Oh,
he'll
me.
come back.
Sweet.
Do you want a coffee, Sakima?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, what do you want? Tell me what you want.
I just have black.
What's that? Ice on black?
Yeah, just a black
Cold
coffee.
one?
Might have a hot one this morning.
Yeah.
She's a bit crisp. How are you this morning, my brother? Good. Yeah, good, brother. Good. Oh, yes, please. Alright, whānau, we are, it's about 11:15 and we've been pumping. Today. It's been busy as, it's probably the quietest we've been so far. But still a good day. It's a good day. I've got sore feet. What's good, whānau? It's day 3 of the Ngā Hau Māori Rugby League tournament here in Queensland. We are not as busy today. We've had a busy morning, but we're not doing too bad now. Still got all the setup here. I think because it's finals. Hey, watch out for this pro golfer over here. Hey, but yeah, it's a good day. Good day though. But it's finals day, so I feel like everyone's coming to watch the finals rather than shopping and all that. Or if they come around here, they're looking for kai. But we still made a few sales, quite a few sales this morning actually. So it's not too bad. I forgot to vlog earlier this morning, but it is what it is. Sure. Yeah.
I'll be enjoying yourself.
So we got today. Got all the new ones. Morena. Morena. If I just stand here with the camera, I reckon people will get. Hello boy. Trying to get people's attention. Come buy some stuff. Morena. Oh, just checking with my bro this morning. Morena, my bras. How you doing, my bro?
Oh,
Cowboy.
Yeah, cowboy.
Hey, bro's just putting in some magic. Hey, put a mahi. Solid. Yeah, cowboy, my bro. Bit slow this morning, eh?
Hey?
Bit slow this morning.
Yeah.
I think it's finals, bro. Everyone's watching the finals.
Yeah, true.
It's all the big games, you know. I'll give you fellas the bird's eye view, eh? Bird's eye. This is how hard we've been working, whānau. Look at our gazebo. We even worked our gazebo too hard. Bloody worked it way too hard. Look at all the people, mate.
Oh, this is so nice.
Oh, watch out for these fellas, whānau. Watch out for these fellas, very dodgy fellas out. Especially that one from Tauranga over there out. Dodgy. Bloody dodgy. Ka pai sis. You fellas.
I want to buy something.
Hey, have to.
We're ready to go. We're gapping it to go
Oh,
watch
yeah.
the Broncos win.
Hey, that's the one.
Are they the only two colours, right? Okay. I like white.
Yeah, the white stands out, eh? It's nice.
And you can't lose it when you're in night time. Not that I go, how much is this?
180 and they come with a full size.
Well, oh, will they have? Oh, let's go. I'll take that. Yeah. Will that fit it? Yeah.
Fee! You're gonna be the flashiest one there, that's for sure. Hey! Marvelous. Hey, cuz. Ahoy.
Good both of you?
Yeah, good. You coaching or?
Nah, pulled up. No playing, nothing.
I'm gonna try and catch half of a game. We got Norths versus West Masters. Got a few bros playing, so see if we can get some of the game. Chirp! Hey, cheer, bro. Oh, good.
I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, good, fella.
I mean, you're mind your vlogging, man.
Cuz. Cheer, bro. How are you?
What the hell is that, Brad?
Oh, fuck, this fella broke his leg in the last game.
Oh, hey.
Yeah.
Notorious for those bloody things, isn't it?
Gonna go for a look around. We got the new kaumātua of the Hokianga region. Here's your boots. Hey, he's for the game. Oh,
Yeah, I went to watch.